Last month, almost 10,000 people joined my Buy Box Challenge, where I basically gave them a list of motivated sellers and told them, you market to those sellers. You just take this list. These are very, very good leads. Just call them up and offer to buy their property for cash. And guess what happened? A lot of real estate leads, a lot of wholesaling deals, and we're ready to run this challenge back. So what I want to do right now is announce the Buy Box Challenge for this month. And so this is going to be for August and September. And basically, you are in the Buy Box Challenge. And what the Buy Box Challenge is you are going to get a list that is inside of my buy box. I'm the buyer. Now, it's also in the buy boxes of my cash buyers too. If I'm not going to buy the property, I'm going to give you a list that's already in the buy box of my buyers. These are super motivated lists. The biggest list is going to be my AI list from X Leads. So pretty much what an AI list is usually 1 out of 1,000 sellers in the AI list always ends up being a wholesaling deal. From this challenge, we've got multiple leads and really good deals from the Buy Box Challenge from the AI list. Now, roughly 1 out of about 600 ends up being a deal on the previous Buy Box Challenge, but that's in my own local market, and obviously I'm really good in that market. But we literally just go to the AI sellability score inside of xleads.com, which also we're trying to bring awareness of how good this AI list is. Literally 1 out of 1,000 of those lists end up being a deal. It's really awesome. Every single X Leads user literally gets these leads included. Now, every single X Leads user, depending on your plan, you get 1 zip code you can do this in, or you can even do 1 entire county. What I do is I pull multiple AI lists in multiple areas inside my buy box for the people to do. So you don't even need an X Leads account. You don't need to have any money at all. We're just going to give you the lists, and all you do is I give you the list, okay? And I need you to just call or text these leads. And then from there, you just send the deal to me. And the link to send the deal is sellmypaper.com. Now, on top of that too, the other list I love to provide is I love to just pull government lists, skip trace them, give them to you. I love giving you our dead owner data. I love going at tax delinquencies. I give you curative title deals. The whole point is I'm just provide you a list that's within already the buy box, and you submit the deal to me right here. Now, the cool part about submitting these deals is you actually don't need to lock the deal up. Because they're in my buy box, my entire team will literally close the seller for you. All you have to do is just get this list, call them, send it to our team. We will split the deals 50-50 in this challenge. I rarely do this except if we're doing a challenge, but we're gonna do a 50-50 split, which means if when we wholesale it, you get half the deal and then I get half the deal. So if we make 20 grand, you get 10 grand, I get 10 grand. And rarely I do a split like this if I have to close the seller, but as long as you can find someone that wants to sell, and if they're in the AI list, there's gonna be a ton of motivation. This is gonna be a really easy challenge for everybody. Literally anybody who says, I don't have any money, I don't know what to do, this is the challenge that changes everything, because I give you the list. I already have buyers that want to buy in that list. And all you have to do is just call or text these people, send the deal over to us at sellmypaper.com, and our team will reach out to you and say, okay, they want to sell. Do you have a rough number what they want to sell for? Awesome. Well, we need to be at this price. Let's go lock it up ourselves. This buy box challenge is going to be our biggest one yet. Our first one kind of blew minds. I only did it live. I'm making an announcement video now, and then we are going to do the buy box challenge live stream, where I'm going to even provide more fresh lists and more data. So I think I gave out probably 7 types of lists in our last challenge. I'm looking to double that and give out 14 specific lists in about 3 times the area, because we're making this challenge even bigger. So if you're excited for this buy box challenge, I'm excited, I'm pumped up. So the first thing we gotta do to do the buy box challenge is let's go pull a list and show you the areas that we're gonna do the buy box challenge. These are gonna be areas where I have extremely strong buyer networks, where dispo is gonna be a complete cakewalk. All right, so we are inside of X Leads, and honestly, if you wanna do this buy box challenge in your own market, you can literally get your own account at xleads.com. Literally, all you have to do is just go to xleads.com and you can do the market in your own challenge. This is obviously sponsored by X Leads, but honestly, I'm just pulling the AI lists. Now, how does the AI list work? Well, the AI list works by combining a bunch of motivated data sets that aren't publicly available. That's why it beats a lot of competition. So what does this mean? Basically, what X Leads does, takes billions of data points, which is true. I mean, when you look at every single data point on one seller, multiply by 140 million properties, of course. But pretty much the list we're giving you in this challenge for free, by the way, is an Xleads AI list. So it basically goes after 3 main criterias. Number 1 is going to be age of the seller, which I'll be real with you. In Xleads, we legally can't tell you the age of the seller. That is discrimination. It breaks every discrimination law, but we can have that inside of an AI algorithm. On top of that too, we look at credit score really hard. And what I mean by this is when somebody has like a 700 or 800 credit score, the data that Xleads gets on every single home seller in America is we literally get their credit score. Now, unfortunately, we can't display that information. It is extremely illegal to give someone's age and credit score in a subscription. Our lawyers are very, very, very against this. But what we can do is put it in an overreaching, all combined score of how likely they are to sell for a wholesale deal. So pretty much what it is, if the seller is older and their credit score over a month goes from 800 to 600, so maybe they missed a credit card payment. Right when they miss that credit card payment, you know in about 3 to 4 months, that person's more likely to sell now than not. And what this means is right when somebody misses a credit card payment, you're not supposed to go call them up and ask if they want to sell their property. What we have found is when they miss their credit card payment, 4 to 5 months after is when they really want to sell their house. And then 5 months after that is when a lien or a credit card lien gets put on the property. So you want to get them before anybody else can, and the credit score changes with the age and other motivations like liens, how long they've owned the property. I kid you not, we even have change of addresses. So we actually have the address with the credit score. And if somebody's legal address changes and or their mailing address, then their wholesale AI score pops. And so basically how this works. So if I go to like the state of North Carolina and I want to filter by like high AI scores, which I can do like right here, anything that's like a 800 or above, there's a ton of properties, right? And I can even click on something like this that is a 941 AI score. Which is interesting is if you just click on historical sellability scores, you're going to tell that they actually have had a very, very, very low score. But something just happened the past couple weeks that made this thing pop. 566 to 954. Even something like this in Port St. Lucie, they had a wholesale score of like 505, and at the start of the year, it automatically spiked up to 986. Now, I actually have some back-end information on this, and what happened obviously was most users, because obviously this is my own account, I can tell, this is some of the back-end information. In the start of the year, there was a foreclosure filing. The owner on record, we found that they died, and then they put a utility lien. So no one paid the water bill because what the AI showed here was pretty much somebody died, and they didn't pay the water bill. The utility company put a lien on the property, and then they didn't pay the mortgage, and now there's a foreclosure on the record. This popped up the wholesale score to skyrocket like crazy. And so this is basically how these AI scores work. Now, you guys obviously don't get this data set, so this is some of the back-end data that Xleads has. Obviously, I'm the owner, so I have some of the back-end data on every single property user. But for example, March 13th, 2026, there was a notice of water and sewer lien put on the property. Obviously, Xleads has all this data that really no other wholesaling software has, by the way. If you see here, we have the recording date, we have the document number, we have the legal description attached on the lien, we have the transaction ID, we have the parties that they put the lien on and they sued, and obviously the city of Port St. Lucie is the debtor, and we have the lien number, we have the legal description, we have the book and page sources on here, the document date. So Xleads is able to get all this information and put it in the AI algorithm. So by far, the AI score for Xleads is amazing, and this is the type of data we're literally giving to you. So in the description of this video right here is going to be a pinned link to my post about the buy box challenge for the month. It's going to look something very similar to this. So this was the last buy box challenge we did. So the buy box challenge is here. Here's the date, and what happens is I'm giving you my exact buy box. I provide the lists. All you have to do is attack it and send it over to us. So pretty much it's going to have a video to this video, obviously, to let you know what it is. And then there's going to be a bunch of lists, right? So here's our 800 AI score lists. We have a list of, we have dead owners. These are people that are dead, but they still own a house. So they own the house, they died, and no title or the deed hasn't been transferred. So it's literally a dead owner owning the house. We have a list of, from the government, of tax delinquent properties. We have dead owners that are also tax delinquent, so good for curative title. We have a lien list, a high equity list, and a vacant property list. So literally all you have to do is just download this list and get to work. So for example, this 800 AI score, it's going to pop up here. And it's not going to give you the actual spreadsheet. It's not going to pop up like that because there's too many leads in here. All you have to do is when you click it, good. So let's click it again. Press 800 AI score. Click, you see the little top right-hand corner right here of the download link? You're gonna click that and it download the list for you right here. And for example, this is what the spreadsheet's gonna look like, right? It's gonna have the seller's name, their mailing address, the actual property address. So recipient address is gonna be the mailing address, right? The county, the bed, the baths, the name for the skip tracing, and then their phone number right there. If it's mobile or landline, contact one email, an additional phone numbers, and some more information. And then we're also gonna add this, and this is the sexiest part of it all. We're also giving you what I call our buy box MAO, which is our buy box max allowable offer. So this is the X leads estimated value. So each one's a very unique algorithm how we did it for the challenge. But the estimated value here is $274,000. And what we've assumed with the amount of work that this property needs, our MAO is gonna be roughly 194. Now, I would want the seller to sell for 140 to make, 50 grand, but roughly this is a general good MAO. So when you submit the deal and you say the seller wants to sell, for example, in this property for 190 grand or 170, you know it has to be under this price. And I'm not here to make 2 or 3 grand. You're not here. You want to make a bunch of money on this deal. So it's important to lowball people. We'll close the seller for you. We're going to do it on our actual live streams. This is going to be super exciting, super awesome. And I'm excited for the buy box challenge to commence. You're going to see a live stream happening tomorrow and Thursday, getting this buy box challenge started. And I'm excited. So we're literally going to be giving the list, sharing it, talking about the leads and the deals, and probably talking to people already starting it because today's the first day of the challenge. It is happening right now. The kickoff streams tomorrow. Let's get some wholesaling deals. This is super excited. I'm giving you 3 times more lists than the last challenge, and you're going to take that data. You're going to call those sellers, get some deals. Let's all do deals together as a community and make some money. So welcome to the buy box challenge. Let's get it going. We have pulled the list from X Leads. We're ready to give it to you tomorrow. It's literally in the description. You can also get it at freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course and community. Let's go out here and get some money. Guys, this is your opportunity. This is your sign. Oh my gosh, I'm so frustrated. I don't know how to get started wholesaling. It's all here. The challenge is here. Let's make some money. Let's get rich wholesaling real estate, and let's go out here and get rich in wholesaling. Guys, you're ready to get your first wholesaling deal. It's literally right here. I'm giving you it all. Let's break it all down. Guys, if you got any value from this video, smash the like button, subscribe. I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one. Peace. News, the buy box challenge is starting September 1st. That is going to be this Tuesday. I'm going to be going live every single day. That's right, September 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. I'm doing this with Max Deer. And we just wanted to make this bigger than ever and have more lists than ever before. And so I'm excited. I'm ready to go. So that is the announcement. I recorded that video, waiting for the announcement date, and it is here, September 1st. Next Tuesday, right here. It's Step Brothers theme. It's one of my favorite movies. So if you're ready to go, you're excited, let me know in the comments. The pinned link is there if you want some more information. But the buy box challenge is here. We are doing more lists than ever, more AI lists than you've ever thought of. And guys, call the leads. Send us the deal. We'll lock it up. We'll do the deal together. We made a lot of money last one, and we're going to make even more together on this one. So, buy box challenge, September 1st. Let's go!